I found another side hustle for you guys. You can be a chef. As a chef looking to make some extra money on the side, consider showing off your culinary skills through personalized catering services or private cooking classes. Catering small events, private dinners, or special occasions can be a lucrative way to showcase your expertise while serving a more exclusive clientele. Tailor your menus to your clients' preferences, offering unique dining experiences that can't be found in restaurants. Additionally, promoting your services through social media, culinary blogs, and food-focused platforms can help you reach a wider audience interested in your cuisine. Another innovative approach is to host cooking workshops, either in person or online. You can specialize in specific cuisines, cooking techniques, or dietary preferences to attract niche markets. Furthermore, creating and selling your own recipe books, cooking kits, or branded ingredients can supplement your income. This approach is not only expands your revenue streams, but also strengthens your personal brand as a chef. One great example is Chef Bay, whose cooking is so good, she's been featured on Food Network and American's Test Kitchen, and currently privately cooks for LA celebrities. A chef can make between $50,000 and up to create culinary art. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try this sizzling hustle. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.